Good morning. Welcome to your A15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning. Even a few light rain showers just off the coast that could move inland this morning. We'll see some more breaks in the clouds for the afternoon hours. We'll see mostly cloudy conditions in general for the afternoon hours today. Our temperatures will be mild today in the mid 50s, so about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. And we'll see some more unsettled conditions moving in once we get into Saturday morning. Looking at our current surface analysis, we have a weak boundary just off our coast and even area low pressure just off our coast that's providing us with this low cloudiness this morning around 3,000 to 4,000 feet. We have a few light sprinkles, as I mentioned, off the coast. We also have a complex area of low pressure over the mid-Mississippi Valley, extending into the Tennessee Valley this morning. It's going to be pushing a cold front through our region tomorrow morning. Our current conditions, we have a scatter deck around 3,700 feet, an overcast deck at 4,500 feet. We have a wind out of a northeasterly component at 40 degrees at 11 knots, temperature at 45 degrees, and relative humidity at 84%. Taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, we have a little swirl just off our coast that's providing us with some rain showers just off the coast, and I'll show the radar in just a minute. We have good amount of upper level cloud cover moving in. You can see on the infrared imagery the purples and greens showing those colder cloud tops associated with those higher clouds. Looking at our radar imagery this morning, you can see we have just a weak area of some sprinkles or showers trying to move inland. Just did see some sprinkles north of our region. Can't rule that out, and across the region this morning until about 10 o'clock, and then should move out of the region once we move after 10 o'clock this morning. Continue on with the 3 kilometer NAM model and how our derived reflectivity may look today. This model is not really picking up on that low off the coast very well, but moving into the overnight hours, we could see some sprinkles or light rain showers around midnight tonight, and then continuing on in the overnight hours. Looks like after about 4 local time on Saturday, we should see some rain showers moving through. And then once we move into the morning hours, we'll see a fairly strong line of showers and even a slight chance of a bed thunderstorm moving through our region. That'll most likely move through about 8 to 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, and that should provide us with a brief period of heavy rain as well as some gusty winds. Once that does move through, we should see just mostly cloudy conditions. Another upper level disturbance moves through. Doesn't have much moisture to work with as the cold front really takes the moisture with it. For the afternoon hours on Saturday, it could produce a sprinkle or two across the area, but overall really shouldn't see much precipitation at all Saturday afternoon after this cold front moves through. Taking a look at a risk chart today, we'll have a high of 55 degrees. Winds becoming more easterly this afternoon at 10 to 15 knots and gusting to 20 knots. And we'll see a southeasterly wind tonight and picking up 13 to 18 knots, gust to 24, and then by tomorrow morning we'll see a southeasterly wind 15 to 20 knots and gusting to 29 knots. Our low tonight will be around 49 degrees, and that'll be during the evening hours, and rising to lower 50s and the mid 50s by Saturday at 8 local time frame. We'll see that chance of precipitation increase after midnight and then becoming likely after 4 local time on Saturday. We'll see our winds increase with about a 20 to 30% chance of seeing that wind advisory until about 4 local time, and then after 4 local time we'll see a likely scenario of winds over 25 knots. Our ceilings will be around 500 feet or just above that, so only a slight chance of seeing those ceilings below 500 feet. If the rain moves in a little bit quicker, Saturday morning could be seeing those ceilings below 500 feet. And we do have a chance of some heavier rainfall with that line of showers moving through Saturday morning. That looks like it should go after 8 local, but can't rule out. It gets in here a little bit quicker than the models are showing this morning. Our 24-hour terminal forecast will have a slight chance of a rain shower till 10 o'clock this morning. Overall, we should be seeing is that sky cover around 4,500 feet with the overcast deck. Throughout today, we'll see skies becoming broken around 3,000 feet for the afternoon hours, and then a chance we do see, or a likely scenario, we do see a scatter deck around 3,000 feet by 1,500 local. And then the evening hours, we'll see the low-level cloud cover start to build in with a likely scenario of an overcast deck around 2,500 feet after 20 local or 8 o'clock this evening. And then during the overnight hours, we'll see those ceilings lower, a chance of those lower ceilings around 600 to 700 feet, and we'll see that rainfall becoming likely once we move into the Saturday morning hours. Our tides are slightly above normal, and we do have Saturday and Sunday weather looking like some unsettled conditions on Saturday with overcast and breezy conditions, rain likely, and a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the morning. Looks like that thunderstorm chance should be about 15%, and we'll see mostly cloudy skies in the afternoon with that slight chance of a sprinkle. We'll see a mild high of 59 degrees, so 100% chance to rain during the morning, and we'll see those winds around 25 knots during the morning as well, and with the heavier rainfall, could see those ceilings or visibilities get below 500 feet or a mile. Saturday night, mostly to partly cloudy and cooler, a low of 38, and Sunday, partly to mostly cloudy and seasonable, a high of 49 degrees in a green chart for both Saturday night and Sunday. Let's complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.